Assalamu alaikum friends. In this video you will learn how to tweet on Twitter. So let's begin the video. The process is very simple. You will simply open your Twitter app. At the top corner there is a profile sign. You will simply tap on that profile sign. Then you will tap on your profile picture which is shown at the top. So here is your profile of Twitter. So at the down corner there is a sign of plus. You will simply tap on plus. So here is a sign written tweet. You will simply tap on this tweet option. So here you will write your tweet and you will tap on tweet. So your tweet was sent. So this is the process of sending a tweet on Twitter. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Thank you.